Hello? Hello? Hi everybody, we're just about to get started.
Okay, you're live.
We're about to do some math here. Alright, we're going to do some fractions and decimals. Alright, so we do... What were those problems we were doing before?
You mean from school today?
Yeah, from school.
I was not watching your school today.
No, not from school today, from like a while ago.
From a while ago?
Yeah, like those fraction decimal things like were writing out like this. And we wrote the answer down below, the ones that were really easy.
Mm-hmm. Were you taking like 10% or something maybe? Or what were you doing?
Yeah, something like that.
Uh-huh. What are you thinking today? What do you want to do today? What's some stuff you can show some people?
Got a paper right here. Got paper right here, everybody. About to do some math here. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do.
You want to do like 3 times 9?
Alright, let's do 3 times 9. Alright, so 3 times 9 is 27.
Boom.
Boom, shakalaka. Alright, that's how we do it in the doghouse. That's how we roll.
What's another math you can do?
9 times 5.
9 times 5?
Maybe we could let the viewers see the paper too.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So they could see it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a little bit of a delay there, huh?
Can you guys see it?
Why don't you tell them why we were a little bit late?
We're late because we're just getting started earlier.
We were trying to get a different camera set up so we could have a different camera on the paper.
Yeah, we're trying to like do 2 things at once, kind of.
Can you do like a number like 23 times 4?
Yeah.
When you're thinking about
23 times 4.
And if somebody was out there who didn't know how to do it, maybe let's say that I was like 5 years old or something, how would you tell me how to do 23 times 4?
Maybe like do 4 times 3
Got
first.
some little Love Lansing shirt going on.
Maybe like, what would be cool?
I think she's talking about 23 times 4.
Oh, like 2
Oh,
cameras.
right, she's talking about the 2 cameras.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, in the chat, yeah, Teresa's talking about that it'd be cool to have 2 cameras.
Alright, so first you see where I gotta set up 23 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So you put 2 there and then carry the 1 on top of the 2. And then you do 4 times 2 is 8, I think. Alexa, what's 23 times 4?
23 times 4 is 92.
92? 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 8 is 24. How is it 92?
It's confusing, huh?
Can you show me?
Okay. So we've got 23 times 4. This 23 has a 3 in the ones place and a 2 in the tens place. So when we're multiplying by 4, that means we're going to have 4 groups of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each group is going to have a 3 in the ones place and a 2 in the tens place.
He's showing me how to do it a little bit here because I got stuck and I can't figure out what I did wrong.
Yeah.
I think I did everything right. I thought I put the 2 there and I carried the 1 above the 2, and I got 82, but Alexa told me it was 92.
Yeah. Okay, so we got these 4 groups of 23. So 4 times 23 is kind of like 23 plus 23 plus 23 plus 23. So 4 times 3 in the ones place is 12. And one way to do that is to put the 12 down here. Another way is to put the 2 in the ones place and to carry the 1 in the tens place. Because 12 has a 1 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. What? When you look at me a
It
lot.
might not be working.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see, huh? And so we got the 12 there.
Mm-hmm.
And then we do 4 times 2 is in the tens place, so it's 4 times 20. And what's 4 times 20?
40.
4 times 20. 4 times 2 is 8.
80.
4 times 80. There you go. Yep.
Yeah, it's 80.
So we
It's
got
80, you guys.
So we got 12 plus 80 is 92.
92.
Mm-hmm. And so when we look up at yours, Colin, what's the difference between this one and this one? You had 82 and it's 92. What's the difference up there?
I did something wrong. I put the 2 there. And I put the 2 there, and I carried the 1 above the 2, and I just don't know what I did wrong. I put the 8 right there, and I just got E2. I didn't get 92. Alexa told me it's 92. I don't know.
That's a good idea to check Alexa for your work.
I don't know that one.
Oh, we're not talking to Alexa now. Okay. Well, maybe try doing it again and see what you get. Why don't you try doing it again? 4 times 23. Want to try it again? Or what do you think?
How do you get 92 though?
Over here. 4 times 3 is 12. 4.
Oh, you do 4 times 3 first? You don't. How did I get a 2 there? I got 4 times 3 is 12.
Yep. 4 times 3 is 12. And you got your 12 too. And you put the 2 down there and you put the 1 up here. Yep. You put the 1 above the 2, so it was in a 10 spot, so you could carry it. Is what you did. Want to try it again? No. So see, here's what happened, Colin. So when you went 4 times 2, you got 8 in the tens, and then you didn't add the 1 here. So that's why you got an 8 instead of a 9, because you didn't add that 1. Just a little mistake.
Just a little mistake.
What do you want to do next?
10 times 2.
10 times 2. Okay, what's 10 times 2?
Here's a paper that we worked on, guys. If you can you see it right in the chat if you can see it.
I think there's a little bit of a delay, maybe like a 30-second or 1-minute delay or something.
What is it?
I'm not sure exactly why.
Yeah.
So you want everybody to put what in the chat now? What do you want everybody to put in the chat?
Put in the chat if you can see the paper.
Oh, I think somebody just wrote.
This live stream is not going well.
No, it's not going well? No? What do you want to change about it?
It's like having some issues right here.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what's going on with that.
Alright, so next problem I want to do is 10 times 2. Alright, now I already know the answer, but I'm going to do it like this. So I put a dot in each group. 1, 2. I put 10 in each group. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10% is 20.
Oh, I like how you did that there. That's a whole different way than...
Yeah, we already knew, because it's anything like 10 times 2 or 10 times 3. It's 30 or 20. Just kind of easy. You just put a 0 at the end, after it.
Mm-hmm. That's like a shortcut, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What are you smiling about right now?
Because I can see Monica in the chat.
Yeah, you like in... She's what?
She said doing awesome.
Yeah, you like getting that support, huh? It feels good.
Yeah. I wonder if Monica did good in the 7th grade just like I did.
Mm-hmm. Did you show them what you did here?
Mm-mm.
Because I was wondering how you were going to explain, 10 times 2. Like you said, hey, I already knew the answer, and I was wondering, how are you going to show them how are you going to explain what 10 times 2 is? Why don't you maybe show them what you did on that paper? How you showed your work there.
I put 2 groups of 10 right there. Can you see it?
There you go, yep.
Yeah.
So,
Alright.
So you had 2 groups, and 10 was in each group, huh?
Alright, 2 groups. And, so I had 2 groups. And I put 10 each group because that was the first number.
Mm-hmm.
So I knew that was going to be the answer.
Cool. What do I do next? Or are you done?
11 times 4.
11 times 4.
It's 44.
It's 44. You already know it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You're fast, like a human.
44, guys.
You're fast. You're a Colin calculator.
Yeah.
Calculator Colin.
Yeah, I'm a calculator. I see Monica in the chat right there. She said, I can see you're doing awesome, yes. Alright, so, you want to do a problem?
You're going to give me a problem to do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, with the camera on and everything? What if I screw it up?
You'll just, I don't know.
Okay.
I do a couple. How much are you doing?
Okay, what do you want to see me do?
What are the ones we were doing before? Like, something times B?
Oh, you're talking about algebra?
Yeah,
Or
that.
did they call it something different?
Yeah, algebra.
Okay. You want me to do one or you want to do one?
But like, how do you do, how do you write a problem?
Like 5 plus b equals 10.
Oh, yeah, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Plus
I forget, they had a name for that in school. Huh?
Equals 15.
What were they saying in that one? Okay. So here we set up the problem like this, where we've got 7 plus b equals 15. So we're trying to figure out what b would be so that when we add something to 7 we get 15. And the way to do this is to reverse the operations. So we've got a 7 here, so I'm going to subtract 7 on the 7 plus b side, and I'm going to subtract 7 on the answer side, on the 15 side, and then we'll see what we get. So 7 minus 7 is 0, so we have 0 plus b equals 15 minus 7. What's 15 minus 7? 8. So then that leaves us with, so now we're at 0 plus b equals 8, because the 7 minus 7 was 0, and the 15 minus 7 was 8. So we've got b equals 8.
8.
Yep.
Alright.
So that's the final answer.
8.
And then to check it, well, how can we check this?
By asking Alexa.
Okay, so how do we check it to ask Alexa?
What was the problem? Alexa, what's 7 plus b equals 15?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Well, if b equals 8, how could we, how we could check that with if b equals 8?
Do what's 8 plus 15? Or what's 8 minus? What's 15 minus 8?
That would work.
How do you get the light chat back?
I don't know. I think it's having trouble. I think maybe if we lower the frame rate, maybe I think is maybe the problem. There's got a little tech difficulties. I think we're gonna lower the frame rate. So we'll stop streaming for like 2 seconds, and then we'll be right back. We'll see if they can see us. I think that'll maybe fix it.
Did you stop streaming?
Here, why don't you reload that? Here, go back there and refresh this. See if the chat comes back. You can close that video details there. Click on it. Okay, good. Okay, so we can check this by going 7 plus b equals 15. So if we plug the 8 in for the b, what do we get if we plug 8 in for b there?
8 in for b. So we do 8 plus b.
If we have 7 plus b
We do 15 minus 8.
plus b equals 15, then what do we think b is? What do we think our answer is?
We think it's 8.
We think it's 8. So
we do 7 plus 8 equals 15.
Exactly. So does 7 plus 8 equal 15?
Yeah.
How do we check that?
By asking Alexa.
Okay.
Alexa, what's 7 plus 8?
7 plus 8 is 15.
So we got it right.
Oh, baby, we got it right.
What do we do when we get it right?
Oh, we got it right. We celebrate.
We celebrate. Woo! We celebrate. How do we celebrate?
By talking to these viewers.
Viewers, what's up? Okay. So what's next? Are we done? Or you got more?
We got a comment here.
A comment here. Okay.
6. Monica said 6 times minus 20 equals 40. What is x?
She's got 6x. It was like 6x minus 20 equals 40. Oh my gosh, why is she giving us such a hard one?
Oh no.
You want to take it? You want to try it?
I guess so.
Okay. Your mission, should you choose to accept it.
Alright. It's gonna be hard. Monica, stop giving me hard ones. You're making me nervous about these problems. Equals 40. What is x? 6x minus 20 equals 40. So we do 5.
What are you thinking?
I don't know.
6x minus 20 equals 40.
So we do 40 minus 20? Do we? I'm writing the problem down, you guys. Some technical difficulty issues still. I got 20.
40 minus 20 is 20.
Yeah, 40 minus 20 is 20. Alright, so... So we got 20, and then now I got to figure out what x is. And that's 20.
X is 20?
20 minus 6 now?
20 minus 6?
Yeah. Right?
Well, I think this one was a little bit tricky because there's a minus 20 in there. So if there's a minus 20 up there, what do we need to do to both sides there?
We need to do plus 20.
That's right. So you gotta do the opposite. It's like a reverser.
Alright. You guys. 40 plus 20. Comments down below.
Oh.
60.
That's right.
Yeah, it's 60, you guys. 40 plus 20 is 60. Alright. Comment down below if I got it right.
Okay, so here, can I clean this up a little bit?
Clean it up.
So we got 6x
40 plus
minus 20 equals 40. So remember, it's important to see what's on both sides. So you said plus 20 on this side, right? So we got plus 20. We'll make a line here. Plus 20 on this side. And then what are we doing on this side? Oh, you have a plus 20 on that side, don't you?
Yeah, we have a plus 20 on that side.
Okay, so what does that leave us down here?
It leaves us with the 20 and the 6.
So we've got minus 20 plus 20. What's that?
I don't know. 40.
Minus 20 plus 20?
0.
0. So might write a 0 on that side.
Okay.
Well, let's put it under here so we... Well, you do what you want to do, actually.
Mm-hmm.
So we got 6x equals, and what do we have on this side? What?
We have a plus 20 on this side.
Okay, and what did you say 40 plus 20 was?
I said 20 was a 0.
40 plus 20 was
60.
60.
40 plus 20 is 60.
So put that on that side.
Okay. 40 plus 20 equals 60.
So you've got 6x equals 60. What do we do next?
I don't know.
This one's a hard one, huh? Monica. Why don't you show me where you're at so far?
Monica. Oh my gosh, you're giving me such a hard problem. I don't know what to do with Monica right now, Dad.
You need to give her a timeout, huh? You want to show these people what you got on your paper?
Yeah. We got this, so we're working over here. Right here. Probably can't see it very well. Yeah, it's right there.
Okay, and so what do we do next after it's 6? What do we have? 6x equals 60? What do we do next?
Oh, that was the other side. I showed the wrong side, guys. This is the right side. The other side was the side we're working on earlier. So this is where we're working on right now. Alright. So we got 20 now. No, we got 60. No, we got 60. 4 plus 20 is 60. So x is 20.
You got
so x equals 20.
You got 6x equals 60. So how do you figure out what x is?
I don't know.
What does that 6x mean when they're next to each other like that?
That you divide.
That you divide to solve it, or what are you thinking?
Yeah, that you divide to solve it.
Okay. So what do you divide by on both sides? Want to do it?
Yeah. So you divide by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. So x equals 1.
Well, you put an x there. X equals, and what's on this side?
X equals 1.
Well, you've got this 60 there. What do you do with that 60? You divide by 6 on this side. What do you do on the other side?
We do 60 minus 1.
You divide by 6 on this side. So what do you need to do on this side?
Do divide by 6 on that side. 60 divided by 6. Alexa, what's 60 divided by 6?
60 divided by 6 is 10.
Alright, hear that everybody? It's 10. 60 divided by 6 equals 10. Alright, 60 divided by 6 equals 10. So x equals 10.
Yeah.
Monica, you gave me a hard problem. I'll give you a hard problem. Now do this one. I don't know. 5x minus 20 equals 0. Do that one. Stop giving me hard problems. Oh my gosh. Looks. Wait, Monica, you talked to your Alexa during a problem, or did it respond to our response?
Well, you wanna call it for the thing, or you wanna get your next one scheduled so they know when to expect you?
Hold on, I wanna read some of the comments right here.
Yeah, you got a lot of comments there.
Yeah, super a lot. My mom said, "Hey, I have a question. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 is a registered 6 offender."
I thought it would be totally different. Why is 6 afraid of 7? I thought it was maybe because 7, 8, 9.
Mm.
You get it? 7, 8, 9.
No, I don't get it.
It's saying like the number 7 consumed and 8 for dinner. Number 9.
Yeah. Alright, one more problem.
One more? Okay.
Alright.
Last one.
Alright, last one, everybody. Then I gotta go to bed. Looks like it's not working here.
I think it's working. I think it's just, I don't know what's going on. Something screwy. Oh, sorry, you're doing stuff. Okay, so what's the last problem?
Last problem is here, you give me a problem.
I'll give you a problem. Let's do 25 times 4.
Oh, mom responded. She said 8 equals ATE. I don't get it. I don't get it at all.
That's like 8. You know how we ate steaks for dinner?
Yeah.
That's
Alright, so you give me a problem.
Okay, 25 times 4.
Alright, 25 times 4.
Oh, you're going fast on this one.
Heck yeah, I am.
You look very into it.
Yeah, I am very into it. Alright, so I do 5 times 4 again. Oh. Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, 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 blah.
And then I do 4 times 2 is 8. And 20 plus 8 equals 28. So my answer is 28.
25 times 4 is 28?
Yeah. Is that right?
You got the 4 times 5 is 20, yes. The 4 times 2 is tricky because this 2 is in the 10th spot. So we instead of doing 4 times 20, you did 4 times 2 is 8, but we need 4 times 20.
So we do 4 times 20?
And 4 times 20 is?
40.
4 times 20 is?
40.
80.
80.
Yep.
It's 80.
And then 80 plus 20 is?
100. So the answer is 100.
Exactly.
Alright, so 25 times 4 equals 100. Right?
Exactly right. Booyah.
Booyah, baby. Oh my god.
Okay, what do I want to say to all the listeners out there?
Oh, yeah. Alright. Mom was in the comments there. Monica was. Donald. That's my grandpa.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And says there's 4 viewers. I don't know who the other ones are.
Monica, your mom, your grandpa,
Mm-hmm.
and some mystery people. Oh, my mom was in there earlier.
Oh, she was?
Yeah, Oma was in there.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah. Oma's his grandma.
Yeah.
What are you doing right now? What are you doing?
We got some cookies here, you guys. I'm
Oh
gonna
my
eat them and
gosh.
tease you guys.
Why do you have cookies today?
Because I worked hard on my school today. Want one?
How about I just have a bite of yours?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, when's the next one?
I don't know.
You're just gonna leave them hanging, huh?
No, I'm not gonna leave them hanging. We gotta figure that out. Should you get pie instead of cookies?
Hey, did your mom spell pie funny?
Yeah. Monica wants cookies. I'm teasing you guys. Alright. When do you want to stream next?
Wednesday?
No.
Friday?
Mm-mm.
Saturday morning?
Mm-mm.
Next week Monday? Okay. Next week Monday? What time?
Maybe 3 or 4.
3 or 4?
Mm-hmm. Like around dinner time, or I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Like the whole entire cookie.
Okay.
There's a bunch of them.
Well, I guess we'll see everybody next week, huh?
Mm-hmm. Alright, bye guys. Bye Grandpa, bye Mom, bye Monica. We're gonna end the stream here. P.S. Monica, you were the best. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream. Bye guys. Thanks for being on here and watching my score.
Boom. How long was it?
Did it.